Hi traders, good morning. Welcome to this euro dollar and pound dollar video. My name is Chris from Elite Currency. Before taking a look at the euro dollar, wanted to let you know that we have a lot of free indicators and tools that you can find out at this link here, Forex CFD indicators/free. And of course, check out which ones you might like. We have systems as well. We have WizTool, special moving average. All of these are, could be downloaded basically here on this link. Alrighty, now we're going to take a look at the euro dollar. This is the daily chart. And wow, a turn of events here. Yesterday, very bullish candle. And to a certain degree, this is something that was expected because I was looking for a bearish ABC pattern here and was looking for a bullish bounce. It just went a little bit deeper than I thought. I thought the 61.8 could be a good spot, but it went to the 88.6 fib. And I think part of that was because of the stronger NFP numbers on Friday. And of course, that was also, the main candle that pushed it lower. But since then, two small candles and a strong bullish candle. And yesterday's FOMC statement, not that bullish for the dollar. Looks like the Fed, if anything, is thinking really seriously about interest rate cuts for the US. That, of course, makes the dollar less interesting. And that, I think, still depends a little bit. It's not certain that the rates will go down, but it's starting to become a little more likely as far as I understood, and still depends on data this month. But still, the chances of that are certainly increasing, and that sent the euro dollar up. And you can see that yesterday was a pretty good, sturdy daily candle with pretty good size, pretty good close near the high. All in all, a pretty good bullish candle. So at this moment, I think the chances of a bullish continuation are decent, but it's still fragile. I mean, everything is still quite choppy and corrective all in all, if you look at this part. So if it does move up, I don't think it has necessarily a lot of space. Maybe just a simple 115 level like this here, right, in this resistance zone, or even lower, maybe 114.50. That could be a lot of resistance ahead. So I don't expect a big move up, but yes, uptrend channel is visible, and if price breaks above 113, I think a small push up to 114, let's say 50, 115 is possible at this moment. Let's dive into the 4-hour chart, and let's see. This could be still an ABC. Didn't break this bottom, so that's still valid. Wave A, this could be wave B, and up it goes for wave C, for instance. Although it could be some different pattern as well. It's a little bit difficult with all these strong ups and downs. So not 100% sure about that. What I do know is that if price pushes through the basically 113 resistance zone, there's a good sideways zone here, right? And the long-term moving average. So if I see price pushing through that, then making a pullback either through a bear flag a bull flag, or some type of triangle pattern, or if price just makes some kind of correction that goes back to the 21 EMA like that and then bounces, that's what I'm interested in trading, actually. So I'm looking for a break, pullback, continue, and then I would use basically the levels that are now resistance as support. So that's 112.75, 112.50-ish, and I'll look for a move up to 114.50 for the moment. That's what I'm thinking about at the moment. If price, however, fails to break through this resistance zone, then I'm not bearish because this momentum is pretty strong. So if I look at lower time frames, it could be a 1, 2, 3, and this could still be a wave 4, and up it goes for a wave 5, for instance. So if I see a bull flag here and a bounce in this zone, it could still be a wave 5 of a bigger wave A or 1, right? So for instance, like this on the 4-hour chart, like this, boom, up, then a bigger correction, and then up again. That's something that easily could happen. If the downside goes deeper, I'm still not interested in downside. I would really need to see a daily candle push through these bottoms here. That is when, below 112 at the very minimum, that is when I think the bigger bullish retracement or reversal is invalidated, and I think a downtrend is likely to start. Pound dollar is a little bit different, okay? Because first of all, price broke below 125, although it's now above 125. Basically, this could still be a wave 1, 2, 3 pattern, okay? And this could be a wave 4. So I need to put the fib from this top to this bottom. And what I'm looking for is to see how price responds to this zone right here. First of all, it is a strong resistance zone. There was momentum prior to it, then went sideways, and then a momentum after that. So that is a zone that is very strong resistance. That's one thing. Second of all are these fibs. If it is a wave 4, then these fibs are typical for the end of wave 4 and the start of a wave 5. So if price breaks above that, then this is, something else is probably going on, and this is probably not a wave 4 anymore, and maybe a bigger reversal is taking place. If price does bounce in this zone and then starts to move lower, I'm looking for at least one more lower low, but keep in mind 124.25 is a strong support zone, all right, of the daily chart. So let's take a look at that right here. So what I'm looking for is either one more lower low to test this bottom, then I don't know, is it going to bounce? Then it could be a total ABC pattern like this, and there could be a lot of space to the upside. Or if it breaks through this bottom, there could be a new downtrend in place. Then I'm looking for a break, pull back, and continue. So I'm not sure how price will respond to 124.25. I'm open to both, 50-50. What I do know that if price does bounce at these fibs, 125.50, 126, that one more lower low and a move down to 124.25 is likely. If it doesn't and it breaks above 126, then I think there's a fair chance that a B, C move like this is becoming more likely, and in that case, a bigger upside is possible on the pound dollar as well. All right, just like I think on the euro dollar. All right, so a lot rides and depends on the 126. That is also the top of this 21 EMA zone. So let's see how price responds to these levels. That's what I'm looking at for the moment on both the euro dollar and pound dollar. All right, traders, that's it for the moment. EliteCurrency.com offers a lot of more free analysis, of course, and education, articles. Check it out at this link right here. And of course, if you're looking for more webinars and videos from Ned and myself, check out the FXDD YouTube channel as well. Wish you all good trading and see you very soon. Cheers.